Oh!
Is this a 144 scale Dambuster?
Try 132.
But that's too big for you.
No.
No, you're going big this year. You're going big.
It's to go with my Focke-Wulf.
You're going big this year.
You see my Focke-Wulf in the cabinet?
In the cabinet.
In the cabinet. In the cabinet. Yeah, this is to go with that. In order to try to shoot it down. Look, it's Aussie as well. Has Aussie decals.
Aussie decals.
Yeah, some Aussies flew these in the raid. So yeah, this would be my pick. It's a bloody huge, beautiful kit.
Are you going to have it ready for Model Expo 2025?
No, I'm going to do the GT3.
Only one?
Only one. You can't expect me to build more than one a year.
That is fantastic. Wow, I hope Santa's listening. That's right, buddy. You tell him.
There? Where is he?
You tell him, buddy. You tell him.
Where are you?
That is right.
He's in there. I think he's in the camera.
All right, mate.